You make good money, so why does it feel like you're still living paycheck to paycheck? I know, it's frustrating. Why does it feel like your money disappears before the month even ends? You earn well, but your bank account doesn't show it. You're not alone, and today we're breaking it down. Welcome to Wealth Sprint, the channel that helps you turn your income into intentional wealth. In this video, we're exposing 5 silent money drains that keep people broke, no matter where they live or how much they earn. Let's get straight into it. First up, invisible expenses. Let's start with those sneaky small charges. The $5 subscriptions. The streaming services you forgot to cancel. Those app upgrades you never really use. Alone, they seem harmless, but together they can quietly burn through hundreds every month. These invisible expenses don't scream, they whisper. And that's what makes them dangerous. Use free budgeting tools like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money is actually going, and do a subscription audit every 2 to 3 months. You can also try setting phone alerts before renewals hit, and canceling what you don't use. Next, lifestyle creep. Ever find that the more you earn, the more you spend? That's lifestyle creep. You move into a better apartment, upgrade your car, eat out more, and suddenly your expenses rise just as fast as your income. If you don't intentionally lock in your savings or investment plan first, even if it's just 10 to 20%, lifestyle creep will eat your wealth before it grows. Automate it. And every time you get a raise, increase your savings and investments before upgrading your lifestyle. Third, poor tracking habits. Earning money without a goal is like running on a treadmill. You sweat but stay in one place. Here's a truth bomb. If you're not tracking your money, you're probably losing it. Most people think they know where their money goes, until they actually write it down. Set 1 to 3 financial goals, like becoming debt-free, saving for a home, or building a 10K emergency fund, and align your spending with them. Use simple tools, apps, notes, or even a spreadsheet, and track everything for 30 days. You'll be shocked. Awareness alone can cut your expenses by 10 to 20%. Fourth, impulse spending. We all do it. That tempting online sale, the late-night food delivery, the treat-yourself splurges. Impulse spending usually fills an emotional gap. Stress, boredom, peer pressure, these emotions quietly shape your spending habits. How many "I deserve this" purchases have cost you real progress? Recognizing your triggers and setting delay rules can save you a ton in the long run. Build a cooling off rule. Wait 24 hours before buying anything over $50. Most times, you won't. You'll buy less, regret less, and save more. And finally, not paying yourself first. This one's a silent killer. If you wait to save what's left over at the end of the month, there's often nothing left. Instead, flip the script. Save and invest first, then spend what's left. Put money to work. Many high earners stay broke because they don't invest. Start small, even $50 to $100 per month into index funds, ETFs, or high-yield accounts. Consistency builds wealth faster than protection. Automate your savings. set a fixed amount to go into a savings or investment account the moment you get paid. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. So now you know, being broke isn't always about low income. It's about unclear habits, emotional decisions, and a lack of systems. But here's the good news. Once you see it, you can fix it. These drains are silent, but they're not permanent. Now that you know them, you can beat them. Start small. Stay consistent. Make one change this week. Protect your income from these silent drains. Your income has power. Now it's time to keep it, grow it, and build with it. If this video hit home, subscribe. Wealth Sprint is here to help you move from income to impact. Drop a comment. What's your biggest money blocker right now? New videos weekly to help you build, grow, and protect your money. No matter where you're starting from,